Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have the next weekend deal, not this weekend deal. We all know what this weekend deal is. 15% off 4th of July, July 2nd. So starting in a couple days through July 5th, but the next weekend deal, July 10th to July 12th, free bucket weekend. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Subscribe, like, free bucket weekend. Free buckets. Let's read the fine print just for kicks and giggles. If any of you are new, we keep track of all the Harbor Freight deals. And here we go. No coupon required. Free bucket with $29.99 purchase. That's a hard pill to swallow. $30 and then you get your free bucket. So if you just happen to be in the store at those points, make sure you ask for your bucket because they don't always give it to you. Double check your receipts as well. 3 days only, 10th to the 12th, while supplies last. Tools and lids sold separately. Limit one free bucket per customer per day. Allegedly, I think that's just a suggestion. I've seen some of the HARBROs build Buckingham Palace. Valid in store while supplies last. Valid the 10th to the 12th. No coupon required. Discount applied at the register. Cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. Excludes Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, open box items, gift cards. Other restrictions may apply. Of course, $30, that stuff. So that's only if you're in the store. But of course, if you're ITC and the store's relatively close to you and you're really into buckets like some of the HARBROs, ITC is where it's at. I think we did the math. You get 5 or 6 buckets per year if you only went one day of the weekend. If you go every day over the weekend, you're getting a lot more buckets. Free bucket for ITC with any purchase, 3 days only. Verbiage is essentially the same. So what we're going to do, like we always do, is we're going to look at what are the best pickups to pick up your free bucket. Starting with, well, just so you know, just so everybody knows what the value, if you wanted to go in and buy a bucket, you could technically buy a bucket for $3.98 and walk out with a free bucket. Oddly enough, it's compared to Lowe's bucket PN0140. Here's a dirty bucket. I once knew a bucket from Nantucket. Let's see how the HARBROs use their buckets. Mostly, I guess, car detailing. Got it for free. Got it for free on Grindr. That's interesting. Harbor Freight pails. Use them for, what is that? Spare wood. My wife wanted me to build this. Makes a great bucket planter. So this is what you can get if you're getting your free buckets. I've seen HARBROs. You can at least get 3 buckets. 1 bucket per day per customer. But if you have multiple stores in your area, we're walking away with a bucket planter. Get a bucket for your bucket list. Bucket is built to last, heavy duty, holds 5 gallons. And this is what you're getting. $3.98 value. Use it as a trash can. You just get your bags from Lowe's. Turn it into a trash can. I had an extra tomato plant steak. Good deal. Okay, that's your bucket. $3.98 value. You make it make sense if you need to go in for it. But one other item you can get, it doesn't come with a lid. So you can go in, purchase a $2.99 lid, and it'll fit this 5-gallon bucket as well as most 5-gallon buckets. And here we are. Would I say blasphemy? Maybe not. Maybe they got free buckets from Lowe's and from Ace. Maybe they're doing it to rage bait us a little bit, but they're using the 5-gallon lid as some planters on their Lowe's and Ace buckets. Still gave it 5 stars. Hard to find replacement lids. Glad they have them in stock. As advertised, it works as it should. Fits other buckets too. Look at this. Universal lid, Lowe's and Harbor Freight bros. It's a red bucket lid. Anyways, you can get a lid, $2.99, walk out with the free bucket. Or what we used to recommend, what used to be the lowest priced item was the 69-cent pencil. It was nicely priced and nicely sized, above average for sure, but that's at 79 cents. So you still could get, HARBROs could still get a pencil, but we actually have a new contender. Under the clearance, the Craft Magnets Block 2-piece, 47 cents, unavailable in Banning, but in stock in Moreno Valley. Magnetic block set for general purpose use. 47 cents is showing up as our lowest priced item. 4.8 stars, 99% recommend. Power for size. Craft magnetic blocks ideal for projects in home or office. Very strong for its size. Magnets hold my knives very securely. Bought several packs when it went for this one. Thought I would never get the 2 packs apart. This is how strong they are. Powerful for the price. Bought the extra long HFT wrenches. Problem is how to access them easily while keeping them organized. They use some magnets. They put them on the back of a battery charger. Super glued them on, attached to the tool chest. They're strong for small magnets. They hold my banner up with excellence when I'm at craft shows. All right. Bingo, bango, bongo. Get some free magnets. So that's the recommendation. 47 cents. Walk out with the free bucket. 47 cents. And then if not these, if you don't need some magnets, these other ones are not too bad. You could get some of the chip brushes. 59-cent chip brush is the new contender. 69 cents 2-inch chip brush is the one I would go with. Very nicely priced. 79-cent color snap blade utility knife just to have around the house. And of course, back to the carpenter's pencil. So some decent options. This one leads us right into the last one. 99-cent Harbor Freight 55-pound 19-gallon double XL bag. We've gone over this before, but this is huge. I've seen even some posts on Reddit about how these are the greatest laundry bags ever. I'm sure there's some new posts here, which there might be. Giant bag helps you get all your stuff together. Can't promise that you will keep it together, but the bag will allow you to get it together. So that's great. Use it for Costco. Use it for laundry bags. Use it for whatever you want to use it for. Great tote to have. I have an 8-person tent with poles and stakes, but the carrying case was lost. I found the Harbor Freight bag to be exactly the size I needed. Great impulse buy on my part. Buy the bag, get a free bucket. Some of them do tear. Allegedly, 42 pounds in the bag. 3 stars still. Side business product delivery. Put some ice in here. 50 to 60 pounds per bag when you get ready to go offshore fishing. That's new. Love what the HARBROs use it for. 20 to 30 packages in one bag for deliveries. Anyway, so great option to get at 99 cents for the Harbor Freight 55-pound 19-gallon double XL bag. Great choice. Or if you don't go with those, the dollar deals that'll be going on. These are starting. We did this a few days ago. Starting July 2nd. These are the dollar days that'll be going on during the free bucket. So you can always do these. Super glue will be down to $1. The 18-inch long neck funnel. I saw some HARBROs touting the long neck funnel at $2 would be a great pickup. Some stretch cord 6-piece, 2-inch putty knife. Tarp bros, $3, 49% off a tarp. Some decent options. Tire repair kit, casters, $7 utility holster. But you get the picture. Those are what I recommend. We got the dollar days coming up, utility bag, the lowest priced items at Harbor Freight, now including on clearance the craft magnet blocks. Let me know what you'd use them for, but at 47 cents, walk out with a bucket. You can get the lid if you need the lid. You don't always need a lid, but at $3, it'll let you walk out with a free bucket. And then of course, you can even buy a bucket to get your free bucket at $3.98. But anyways, I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Let me know if you're still collecting buckets or if you're swimming in buckets that you're giving them away. I know some of the HARBROs give these away as gifts. That's not a bad gift. But I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing on our way to 28,000 subscribers. Hyping. Maybe becoming a member. We have 12 channel members, which blows my mind. I appreciate the HARBROs and the Harbor Pros. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.